we go.
Okay, boys.
We out here, getting ready to go to Concrete City. Got Jared's massive camera that we're gonna shoot on. Yeah, what'd you say? What'd you say, Scotty?
Jared's massive camera that we're gonna filmy Wilmy on. Massive cock that.
We got there at 3, sunset at 6. We'll have easily.
What's up, motherfuckers? They just handed me this cock like this. All right, motherfuckers. Fuck you. Crazy.
Dude, I will shit you out.
Damn, Jared. You shit with that ass?
The Concrete City boys. Alright, what kind of chopping are you doing, Jameson? Entire container just for your Pop-Tart, you understand?
No way.
The entire container just for your
My
Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart.
Fuck is Mario Judah?
Oh, you messed up. Here, let's go again.
You know what, Jameson? Not when I'm shoving.
You're in the shot still, fool.
You're fine. You can be in the background. No one will notice you. 3, 2, 1. If you want. Oh, this is gonna be a mess.
No, I think you have to throw it really high then. I think it's better if you're standing up. Yeah.
Yeah. Now.
Come on, guys. This clip looks hella stupid.
I shit the bed.
Nice. Go.
Come on.
Yeah, take a bite.
Let me fucking chew.
Oh, wait, can you even see?
Yeah.
You can. I think it looks good.
Yeah. You can see that shadow.
Oh, wait, here, wait. No, but like, what you could do is have Jared filming me here. Here, wait, let me see this real quick. It's too. Buddy.
It's good enough.
I just bought a new grill, shining like a new whip. Adam got a new drip. I'm a nappy-headed black little cool kid. Yeah, I stack that, make that, break that, take that. Got 100 ways I can flip that, get back. All up in the money just to get back. Bitch, back up. No, you probably need a tic-tac. It's that. Bitch, you front on me. Why you wanna act like this? Rolling on my wrist so she wanna have kids. Cuffs on my wrist so the cops don't trip. I'm too fly to fight. Can't afford my price. This a white tee. Bitch, bite me. I'm on a high. They on the low. You killing my vibe. Get out my zone. Said I'm on a high. They on the low. You killing my vibe. Get out my zone. I'm the best in the group chat. My niggas won't admit that. 31 hoes in my FaceTime, and I'm the one to hoop that. Rockin' and rollin' like Jack Black. Schooling you niggas like Jack Black. How could you not like Jack Black? I put that on my mama, nigga, no cap. Look, I handed a Yos. He handed a John. Shawty wanna fuck for a picture. Bitch, this ain't a Groupon. This that CLBN. Go ahead, bump it with mom. Said she want a spot on my list. I told her go pray to your God. I need to go to church. Yeah, I dig that, flip that, make that check back. When I wanna get it back ASAP, it's that young nigga back, no six pack. Fuck that, I'm too rich for the chit chat. Young black, fly to fight. Can't afford my price. This a white tee. Bitch, bite me. I'm on a high. They on the low. You killing my vibe. Get out my zone. Said I'm on a high. They on the low. You killing my vibe. Get out my zone.
Hold on, bitch, get on my zone. Going insane. I got that drip with the snow or the rain. Face card good, but they knowin' my name. I'm smoking that gas at the shoulder, the pain. In a Rover or Range, and I'm slowing my lane. Head for the top, blood cold in my veins. So a nigga better step back, catch that. Bitch, you like a stepdad. Cop a new whip, shit, jet black, bet that. Stop the bragging. Fly, I can shock Aladdin. Do 100 while the cops is passing. And the chopper blasting. Nigga fucking culture lacking. Rap niggas be Oscar acting. We never worry, them pockets packing. I watch and learn in a proper fashion. Boy, you is sweet, you is not a savage. Why do you have to be problematic?
I'm on a high. They on the low. You killing my vibe. Get out my zone. Said I'm on a high. They on the low. You killing my vibe. Get out my zone.
Get out my zone, bitch.
Jared, we're filming.
My bad.
You silly cunt.
Jared, where's the camera? Like a big camera.
Yeah, go.
There. I got that right.
Go?
You stand up here, and you like film Joe's, and then Phil's away.
Hey, can you go down there? Alright, Brian.
Bitch, I did it, I made it, I'm loved and I'm hated. I started from the bottom, now my neighborhood is gated. They say drink to your accomplishments, so every night I'm faded. Feel like every other day me and somebody new related. You my sister, cousin, brother from the other side. I don't know who told you that. My mama, where she fucking lied. Hey, wake up, get your cake up, cut it up like it's cocaine. Shake up all the streets with all these beats like body beats. I'm not discreet. This is how I feel on the inside. All you non-talent rapping motherfuckers better run and hide. You worthless, you have no purpose, fucking imposter. You gots to get it through your head, you won't never get no handout. Fucking with your ass, it be like throwing a band out. Perfect. My flow increase, my dough increase. You know I leave from all deceased. I am a fucking beast. I'm from the east. I keep the peace. Don't need a piece, but I keep a piece. Gotta compete. That boy gon' eat. This is a feast. Once I release, I'm smoking trees. I bought my shit. I don't need no lease. So fuck you up like Mr. P. This shit right here a masterpiece. I'm coming in hot like the police. Shooting my shot like the police. All on the block like the policeman. Who gon' stop the police
from leaving bodies in the motherfucking streets, man?
Fire.
Perfect.
It has been a successful day of filming, and now it's time for an epic night.
Bro, successful is nuts.
Of
I can't
filming.
feel my fingers, bro.
Well, you know what you should do?
Look at
You know what
this.
fixes it? So if you cry about it, and then you shit,
Hold this for a second.
and then you piss and...
Bro, we should low-key get a picture here.
Yeah, we should.
I'll set the tripod up.
You know what, Jamson? If you mess this clip up, I'm gonna give you a kiss on the lips.
Point at a GoPro.
We're going to shit. How do I work this piece of shit?
Jameson over here, being a silly guy. Forbidden chalky milk right here. Ooh. Alright.
Poggers.